Happy Monday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We already have cloudy and wet weather going on across the Free State, Northwest, and parts of Gauteng. And as the day progresses, we are going to see the wet weather spreading into Limpopo and Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And it's going to be pretty chilly over these parts of South Africa. We are also expecting significant snowfalls over the Drakensberg Mountains across Lesotho and the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Further west, we have this cold front which hits the southwest coastline this afternoon, introducing rainy weather. The rain should continue throughout Monday night and spread into parts of the south coast. Now, here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Monday. We are expecting between a 40 and 60% chance of rain and thunder showers for much of the interior, just a 20% chance of showers over parts of the Eastern Cape coastal areas, and we are expecting a 60% chance of rain along much of the west coast and the adjacent interior. Now, we have a warning for snowfalls that could be disruptive over the Drakensberg Mountains across Lesotho, pushing down into the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. A watch is also in place for heavy rains along the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior. We also have a watch for gale force winds along the east coast, but just offshore between Port St. John's and Richards Bay. Here's a look at how cold it's going to be in your part of South Africa. Johannesburg will manage a high of just 10 degrees, 12 in Pretoria, Polokwane, similar temperatures, as well as Mudimole, just a degree warmer in Mahikeng, and a chilly 8 is forecast for Emelo. Similar temperatures are forecast in the Free State around Bethlehem. Ladysmith will peak at just 12 degrees. Much warmer, however, for the southern parts of the Eastern Cape, where highs will lie in the lower 20s and upper teens. We are expecting fairly comfortable temperatures along much of the east coast, fresh northeasterlies between Richards Bay and Durban. It's going to be fairly comfortable as well for much of the southern interior, Robertson and Vredendal peaking at around 24 degrees. Mild temperatures are forecast for the south coast and the southwest coastline. Light offshore winds are expected for much of the south coast. A moderate northwesterly is expected around Cape Agulhas. In the northern Cape, it's going to be cold for the southern and eastern areas. 13 for the highs in Sutherland and Kimberley, and a high of 23 is forecast for Appington. We are expecting moderate northwesterlies for much of the west coast, highs in the upper teens for Cape Town, Langaban, as well as Lambert's Bay. And looking ahead to your Tuesday, cloudy, rainy and cold weather is forecast for southern South Africa. It's going to become mostly sunny and warmer across Gauteng.